Hi friends, today I introduce you my first meeting with Wallis World, a wonderful oracle, a healing journey through sacred sites. It's a wonderful game, and I've made a little spread, my first meeting with this deck, and it's really amazing. So just see, there is a cat named Willy. That's the Wally. Wally is the cat, and you see her in all the cards. All the cards that are really, it's a journey through the world, and you see the cat in every card. Each card is representing landscape or places, sacred places in the world. It's a travel, and it's a travel of healing. Inside the box you have a wonderful seed of flower of life, a little book concerning all the places. There is not any divination information. There is only information concerning the place, like a diary, a travel diary, and in fact it's very good for beginners because it helps you to be completely aware to your intuition. So let's see this new meeting. I have this game. So the first card was this, the number 30. The numbers are written very smoothly, not to be disturbing with the decoration of the card. It's a very good choice, I think. And here, my first question for meeting this new deck was, who are you? What is the best card representing you? I have this card in my spread, the first question. And the answer is, in fact, that is joyful. This game is joyful. It's about, you see there is a hat, Christmas hat there on her head, it's a crowd. I think there is music or noises, about a party, big party with a big crowd, and they are watching something, more or less. There is a cat there, look. It's not sadness card, okay? It's a celebration situation. So I like this, It happened good, It seems to be good that this card for me is a celebration. I just received it last week. Sent it by a boy who has also a channel on YouTube. I will give you his link because he makes reviews about wonderful deck, wonderful oracles and tarot also. Saint Seed. Thank you, Hugues, for sending me this wonderful game. And after the second question is, what do you feel about me? What can you tell about me? How do you see me? So the answer, my first impression, was both. What's that? It's not so sacred, So sometimes nothing comes, okay, there is a blue sky, no clouds, no rain, there is a land of water, mountains but quite low, and a village just there, and herbal plants but quite dry. I don't like very much. The impression for me is that the aspect is a little dry for me, too much dry. Some things there, it's like if it were the end of the water place, I don't know. It's look like a little rude, dry. So I came to Google to see what was the place. I've looked in the book, to see what it was. So it's a reservoir in California, and there is a. So I saw. I saw this, I have read this. And in fact, the location is Sweetwater Reservoir, Spring Valley, California. Oh, okay. Doesn't mean anything for me, I never been in USA, so I've made some a little research in the web, and I felt one video about fishermen. So I saw a man with a big fish, going to the river in this place and making a big fish. I don't know how to call it. Yes, a fisherman. Very enjoy to have a big fish, very big fish, and in fact he put it in the river after having fishing it, So I was quite pleased at the end of the video, and I told him, I said, but what's that stuff? What there is there? So sacred, Okay, the fish is going. Return to the water. Okay for him, perfect. So after I just read what Tara, the creator of this game, says, what the photographer had to say. I feel very fortunate to be able to enjoy a view like this. We often see many deer, coyotes, mountain lions, rabbits, skunks around our area. I even had the pleasure of seeing a grey wolf on our street. My city feels so magical to me. Okay, so it's a nature place, very natural. Okay, there is a barrage, but there are also many fauna, so it's good. But anyway, I feel that there is something too dry for me, No, I felt with the glass there to see if I see something that I didn't see. So anyway, and the third card is what this game is going to bring me. And that was a surprise, the big surprise. So the surprise is that a wheel, but what is it? And with this, with this drawing, two circles, each one another, they cross themselves, and with like a sword. So what's that? So I feel that there was something like the water, the emotions. So big emotion. I am in a moment in my life. I am crossing big emotion and big changing of point of view. So So I also made a research, and I found a wonderful place corresponding to this card. Wow, it's a real good card, you know. So it's this. If you can make a pause. So it's Chalice Well Gardens, Well of Avalon, Glastonbury, United Kingdom. Alors, what the photographer had to say. This has long been considered a sacred space. From my first visit to my most recent, it has always been a peaceful and healing experience. A spot to take in all the surrounding beauty and reflect on the magic of standing there, steeping to its history. So there is something with Arthur's story and with the Christ, because his uncle Abraham, I don't know, have noticed this, you know. No, sorry, it's Joseph. Joseph of Arimathea. The Joshua uncle, you know, would have bring the chalice of the sin, containing the blood and the sweat of the Christ. So it's a big place, big sacred place, you know, and there is the legend of the Holy Grail. In fact, the water are sacred and they can heal, and the plants also. And the garden is absolutely wonderful. So I speak about this with a friend just after the spread, you know. I told her my discovery, and she told me, "Oh, okay, we go." So it's about healing, and I am very pleased to have this card because I just travel lots of problems and lots of trials, lots of hurt, injury, and I'm fed up with this, you know. I need some rest, in fact, you know, some peacefulness. And this game, I think, is going to help me a lot, you know. So the first sign is the wonderful crowd you have here with joyfulness, forgiveness, because there's something to go with Christmas Day. So it's a day of forgiveness, for joyfulness, peace, family, harmony in the life also. And the party, you know, being in parties, being well with the others, have new friends, and so on. And this is a little hard, you know, this landscape for me is a little dry, you know. So, but the sky is blue, so there is, I hope, you know, there is some, it's optimistic, you know, anyway. And water there, the water there is better than there for me. No matter, you know. So thank you for having listened me, and this game is really a good companion, you know, with the cat, you know. Alors, where is the cat there? Ah yes, I forgot to see. Maybe there. Yeah, there. I see with this, if you see, I don't know. You know, he's climbing there. Yeah, maybe there. That's it. So, and there is there. What's funny? So, thank you for having listened, and see you next time. Maybe I will make a little review about this deck. Yes, it's really nice, wonderful. Thank you. Bye bye.